Hey there! Looking to get your tasks, shopping lists, or reminders all sorted out in the Notes app? Making a checklist is a super easy way to keep track of everything and check things off as you go. Let me show you how to create a checklist in Notes quickly. Solution 1. Create a checklist in an existing note. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Next, select an existing note or create a new one by tapping the New Note icon. Once you are in the note, tap the checklist icon, which looks like a check mark in a circle, from the toolbar right above the keyboard. Type in your first item for the list and then press Return to add more items to your checklist. Now, when you complete an item, just tap the empty circle next to it to check it off. Solution 2. Start a new checklist note. Open the Notes app and tap on the New Note icon. After that, before you start typing anything, hit the checklist icon to kick things off in checklist format. You can then add each item by typing and pressing Return to go to the next line. Check off each item as you complete it by tapping the circle next to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and manage checklists effortlessly in the Notes app. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more handy iPhone tips.